Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this sumptuous mouth-watering GIZDODO. Trust me, you don't want to miss this recipe at all. Okay, so first things first, you're going to put your washed and diced up gizzard into a pot, and then you're going to season with some diced onion and garlic. This will help bring a lot of flavor into our gizzard. And then I'm going to be using some whole oregano, some curry powder, some onion powder, as well as salt and seasoning cube. And then I'm just going to stir all of this to make sure that the gizzard is well incorporated into all of the seasoning before I'm going to be adding water. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe and be a part of this family. All right, click the notification bell so you'll always get notified when I post my videos. So now I'm just going to add some water into my pot, and I'm going to cover that and allow this to cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes till the gizzard is cooked through and looks exactly like what you're seeing in this video right now. The water would have reduced a lot, and then the gizzard is cooked through. I'm just going to take this off the heat, and then I'm going to place a pot with some oil into it, and then into that we're going to be frying some diced plantain, very ripe plantain specifically. We're going to fry this till it is golden brown, and then we're going to take everything out of the oil. You guys, GIZDODO goes very well with piping hot white rice. Like, I can't even explain the deliciousness of GIZDODO and rice. Also, you can pair it with chips and pasta, but I personally love it with rice. Okay, let me know in the comment section which food you like to pair your GIZDODO with, or if you even prefer to eat it on its own like that. Now that we are done frying our plantains, we're just going to go ahead to fry our gizzards lightly. I like to fry my gizzard lightly and not allow them to be too brown, so they are not really hard in the sauce, because we still need to make it into a sauce. So once they're a bit brown like this, I'm just going to take them out of the oil. Take everything out of the oil. If you're still watching at this point, that means you're enjoying this video. Go ahead and subscribe and be a part of this family. Now that I've taken out all the gizzard from the oil, I'm just going to transfer another pot with a little bit of vegetable oil into it, heat it up a little bit, and then we're going to add to this our tomato and pepper mix. It's just plain tomato, pepper, and onions that have been blended together, cooked and reduced till it is thickened. I'm just going to fry this in this oil for like 2 minutes. Stir till everything is well combined, and then we're going to season this. This is the base for our GIZDODO sauce. Okay, and so make sure you fry your tomato very well so it doesn't have any sour taste at all if you're using like freshly blended tomato mix. Now, to season this tomato, I'm just going to be using some curry powder, some thyme, salt, and a little bit of seasoning cube. That's all you need, guys. Nothing much, nothing more, nothing less, pretty much. Okay, so to that I'm going to be adding my fried gizzard, and then I'm just going to combine, stir to combine, make sure that it goes, like the tomato goes into the gizzard goes into the tomato, everything is well married. You get it? You don't get it? Forget about it. No, don't forget about it. Okay, I need you to try this recipe. Come back. So once you've mixed everything up, we're going to go ahead and add in our fried plantain to this mix. You guys, there's something about food that gets me excited. Let me know if food gets you excited in the comment section, because for me, it gets me excited. And then the aroma that cooking gives my home and my kitchen, it's amazing. So once you're done stirring in the plantain and the gizzard into the tomato sauce, make sure that your heat is on low to medium heat. Okay, you don't want this to burn, but you want them to simmer together, and all the flavors will really incorporate into each other. To that, we're going to be adding some diced carrots. Okay, these are like the veggies I'm going to be adding into my GIZDODO. Stir in the carrots, and also to that we're going to add some colored bell peppers. I'm using the red, the green, and the yellow as well. You guys, like I always say on this channel, food has to be appealing to the eyes first before the mouth even taste it. So I love beautiful and colorful looking meals. All right. Okay, stir everything in on low heat and just allow all of this to simmer together. You guys, that is as simple as it gets, and that's as delicious as you're going to get it. This beef GIZDODO is ready. And do you know that if you go down to my channel, you'll actually see a beef dodo recipe that I created myself, and that is equally so yummy if you don't want to use gizzard. So just for some extra paparazzi, some extra razzmatazz, I'm adding some sliced onion into this, and I'm just going to stir everything to combine. And you guys, pretty much our GIZDODO is ready. I'm going to be having this with some white rice, and you guys, it is amazing. I know I have said you guys in this video like God knows how many times. But anyway, you guys, this recipe is a must try. You guys have to try it out and let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying it or if you've tried it before and what you think about this recipe. Also drop for me in the comment section recipes you would like to see on this channel in 2022. I also added a little bit of spring onions to the GIZDODO just to amp up the flavor a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, because I'm believing you subscribed after watching this, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.